This new AI tool from Google is gonna blow your mind. Firebase Studio from Google, you can build complete apps, back-end, front-end, mobile apps in one place, and you can deploy it too. So you don't have to use Bolt, you don't have to use Cursor, you don't have to use Loveable, because this Firebase Studio from Google is completely free and you can build end-to-end app solutions. I'll show you some examples today. Before we jump into it, you know what to do. Like and share so more people can see this. All right, first of all, how do you access this? So you're gonna go to Firebase.studio and then click here, and then you're gonna log in with your Google, your Gmail account, and you should log into the dashboard. Super simple dashboard. When you come here, this is where you can prototype your apps with AI, or if you want to start coding the app, you can create your workspace and then start coding in these different environments. But in this video, we're gonna look at how you can use AI to build complete apps and deploy them to in literally just seconds and without paying anything. That's the best thing about the Firebase Studio. Anyone, even someone like me who doesn't write any code, doesn't know any code, lately I've done some coding, but back in like high school days, a long time ago. But this AI tool is amazing, better than Bolt, better than Cursor, because you can do everything here. Build, deploy, implement everything right here. So let's look at some examples here. I'm gonna use a simple prompt. So this right here, a recipe maker that generates recipes based on the ingredients. I have in my fridge, simple UI, green color. Let me actually do red color scheme and then prototype with AI. One other thing you'll notice, it's gonna start writing the code and you'll see the details, the thinking process, all the steps it's taking. You'll see everything here on the right hand side. One good thing about Firebase Studio is, first it's gonna build a prototype. So here's the name, Fridge Chef, I like it. So different features, ingredients input, yes. Recipe generation, recipe display, dietary filters, that's all great. Guidelines, you can review this. And if you wanna make any changes, you can. If not, you can just simply click on prototype this app and it's gonna start working on the next step. So it's writing the code. You can see all the steps here. And by the way, if it finds any errors, it's gonna start fixing those too. Or you can say, hey, fix these errors yourself. So it will do everything for you. The good thing about this is Google Gemini is also integrated. So you don't have to create API keys. We'll see in a second, it might ask me for API key, or it's gonna say, hey, let me generate the API key for you, and I'll say yes. I've been building some apps already, so my API key might already be in the database, in the environment, but we'll see that in a few seconds. So it looks like it's building some files, it's checking for errors right now, and looks like it's done. So here's the basic. Oh my God, this is unbelievable. It is using red color, ingredients, dietary restrictions, optional, but look at this. Enter your Gemini API key. So you can go to Gemini AI Studio and generate the key and put that here, or look at this, auto generate. Unbelievable. So when you use tools like Loveable or Bolt or some of the other ones, sometimes you have to go to another place, build your API key, copy paste it to make sure everything is working. But you'll notice in like 30 seconds, so it took about 30 seconds to build the app for me, and now in just a few seconds it's gonna generate a Gemini API key and update everything for me. So I'm not touching anything, I'm not copy pasting anything from Gemini or Google AI Studio. This tool is gonna, that's why I feel this tool is like end-to-end solution for app development. Is it done? Yes. Oh my God. Appears like your app needs a Gemini key, so API key, it's done, and it's ready to be tested. Crazy, right? So let's input some, I'm gonna input like chicken, onions, tomatoes, no restriction, and click here. And let's see if it actually is working or not. So I click, oh, look at this. Unfreaking believable. And obviously I can chat and I can add more details. I can make it look pretty. Instruction needs to be in bullet point. Right now it seems like it's like a block of text. Here are different ingredients, name of the recipe, different ingredients based on my input, and the instructions. unbelievable. Everyone is going to be able to create web apps, mobile apps, front end, back end in literally, this only took us like few minutes. And if I wasn't like explaining everything, doing the demo for you video, it would literally take me like 30 seconds to build different apps. By the way, if you want to make any changes, you can describe and then it will make the changes for you. Also, I can click here on this button and now I can start drawing. I can draw stuff here. And I can say, if I want to highlight stuff, let's say I want to make some changes, I want to say make this red, I can highlight this, and then instead of kind of like annotations, and instead of describing my changes in the words, I can do the annotation and get that done too. How freaking cool is that? And then if you want to see the code, you can click here and it will switch to the code mode. And this is where if you are a developer, you understand coding, you can go here and start looking at different files it created. I have no idea what this is, so I'm not gonna pretend like I do. But this is so freaking cool. And then when you're done, let me go back to the other mode, AI mode. So it's gonna switch to the other mode right here from the code. And now when I'm done, I can click on publish and then it will deploy, it will publish my app. I have to connect it will create the Firebase project, it will create the database and everything. It will connect the billing account, the Google Cloud billing account, and it will set up the environment. I don't want to do it right now, but you don't have to use a separate tool, a separate app. You can do the whole publishing process from here. How freaking cool is that? Now, let me go back and I want to show you one other thing. Let's also build I built like a social Spark app. Actually, let me actually show that to you right here. So social Spark app, my instruction was build an app that will take any keyword or topic and it will generate a tweet and a Facebook post for me, right? A simple, something that we use sometimes other AI tools like Claude or ChatGPT or some other tools to get this done. Because for social media, we take different keywords or topics and convert those into Facebook posts or tweets or even like LinkedIn posts. Now you don't have to pay for those tools because you can build it for yourself. So for example, let's say my topic is, I'm gonna say kitchen hacks for busy moms. And then I'm gonna click on generate post. And look at this. It generated the tweet for me in the first box. And then it also generated the Facebook post. I think very soon in future, everyone will be a product manager or app developer, and all those tools that you pay for today to use their features, you will be able to build them by just natural English language. Just type, speak to Firebase Studio from Google, and for free, you can build all of these tools. How cool is that? I think if you're Bolt or Cursor or a Loveable, you should definitely be concerned with this release from Google, the Firebase Studio. Unbelievable. Any questions, let me know about this AI tool or any other AI tools. Let me know in the comments below. Before you go, like and share so more people can see this, and I'll see you in this next video. Bye for now.